In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 daily habits that changed my life. These are the 10 things that I do every single day without fail, and these have been life-changing for me. I hope they will be for you too. So let's get started. Number 1 is make your bed. Now this may seem like a very simple task, but believe me, when you make your bed in the morning, it sets the tone for the rest of the day. It gives you a sense of accomplishment. You feel like you have already done something, which makes you feel motivated to do more things through the day. Number 2 is drink a glass of water first thing in the morning. When you wake up, your body is dehydrated. You have just come from a state of deep sleep. So drinking a glass of water helps to rehydrate your body and kickstart your metabolism. Number 3 is taking a cold shower. Now this one is not so popular, but trust me, when you take a cold shower, it does wonders for your mind and body. It improves your circulation, it makes you feel more alert, and it also helps in weight loss. Number 4 is reading. I try to read at least 10 pages every day. Reading is a great way to learn new things. It expands your knowledge, and it also improves your language skills. Number 5 is writing. Writing is very therapeutic for me. Whenever I feel low or anxious, I just sit down and write, and it helps me to sort out my thoughts. You can write a journal, or just write in a notebook. It doesn't really matter. The important thing is to just get your thoughts out on paper. Number 6 is exercise. Exercise is very important for our physical and mental health. It keeps us fit, and it also boosts our mood. I try to do yoga asanas, but you can do whatever you like, be it running, walking, swimming, dancing, anything that makes you feel good. Number 7 is eating healthy. I try to eat clean and I avoid processed food as much as possible. I eat lots of fruits and vegetables, and I try to stay away from junk food. Healthy eating helps you to have healthy, glowing skin, and it also improves your general health. Number 8 is getting enough sleep. Sleep is very important for our body and mind. It helps us to relax and recharge. I try to sleep at least 8 hours every night. Number 9 is meditation. Meditation helps me to calm my mind. It reduces my stress and anxiety. I feel more focused and I'm able to concentrate better. Number 10 is helping others. I try to do something nice for someone every day. It could be something small, like helping a neighbor, or making someone smile. Helping others makes me feel good about myself, and it also makes me feel connected to society. So these are the 10 daily habits that changed my life. Try them out and see how they work for you. Namaskar.